Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are doing good. This is Crypto PNL, and I'm going to discuss about BTC, and I'm going to talk about how it is working and how it is moving to the upside. And there are a few things that I have discovered and I have noticed, and I think these are the most important thing that BTC is going to drop back. Back in April, BTC made this move. What I'm going to talk about, yeah, this move. This was the move that BTC made. Was the move that went that low from that high. From that high, the price went that low. Okay. So in this move, there is a candle that is very important, and that candle is I'm going to, in my trading style and my trading journey, I call this candle, this red candle here, this doji, because lots of green candle and then all of a sudden this red candle. This is the breaker. This is the coin. This is the candle that leads. Like this was the candle that made we went up. We created a short position here and then we drop back into the lows and break that low. So this candle means a lot. So what happens when price came back to that level? If you notice, that was the place where people shorted it. Like, how do people shorted it? People were waiting for a big back return to the price, and they shorted it from there to the lows of this low and probably that low. And this how it worked, in my opinion. So if we draw the line, that was the perfect shot. You trade all the liquidity down there. Well, that happened. So now what I'm saying is that this candle is going to be challenged again. And this is what is happening here. If you draw this line to the upside, if I draw it line to the upside, to the other side, and then you will notice that if I draw this candle, this is the breaker. I call this a breaker. Actually, I write breaker a lot. I denote with the BRK or breaker. And if you notice, this line is going to be tested again. Now, what is happening here? If you notice, this line and this candle, this low. So the level of 59,300 probably or 400 is the level that BTC has to claim. So what happened? Now they came back, they break it with this candle. That's why I called this candle is very powerful, because we break it with this candle, and that's the breaker candle. If price close, मतलब अगर ऐसे हो, example दे देता हूँ, if price went below it and break the structure, the only place that I'm going to short is this from this breaker. If price यहाँ आगे रुक जाती, but this is not happening here. The price is creating another logical reason here, because what is happening is that this line is being held here, we broke down again. Okay, we made a new low. If you notice it, we made a low, so that's the liquidity taken, and now we are coming back. So anything below this line now is a short opportunity, and we have to be stopped thinking about any bullish scenario lately, because when a price will come back below this one, 59,500, then we expect the price to can come below this one and can come below this one. So this is very simple. So we, as a Bitcoin bull scenario, we have to hold this level, and that is $59,475. The rest is all scrap, because this level से जहाँ से लोगों ने short किया था, people shorted it, that breaker, now we are above, and then we went back and then we went above it. So in my personal opinion, this line, this level of 59,000, if you remove again all the data and just draw a line to this level, and if you draw a line to this level, just this level, and this is the level that we have to look at, and this is the level I'm looking at, to be honest. And then there is another scenario that I am going to go to the low time frame. In the low time frame, then if you can look at it, that we have this I draw a line here just for your sake. This is the line that we are holding now. This is the line. So if you're a bullish man and if you want to parade this, every touch to this line is a buy in my opinion. And I still believe we are not going to go anywhere only except we are going towards this major window of 1618. We are going towards this major window of, in my opinion, this is the area where price is going. So from there, what happened? From there, I think the price is going towards this level. This is the level that we are aiming here. I've already posted a lot, so there is an opportunity. So this is the one thing. And second thing that I'm going to show you is that I'm going to show you, and that is sorry, Meta coins. जब से Facebook has launched this Metaverse, so Metaverse coins are going to be very interesting. So you have to look at the prices of Metaverse coins. They are going to pump. Now keep an eye on these Metaverse coins. Okay, keep an eye. I believe they are going to pump, and they're going to pump brutally. So these coins like XZ, XS, Mena, Decentraland, these coins are pumping. If you noticed, these coins are pumping for the last 7 days, as long as the BTC, this Starlink. So what I'm trying to say is that जो इनकी coins pump नहीं हुई अभी तक, like there's this Ore, whatever the name of this coin is, research on these coins. I think they have the potential to pump in coming days and months, and they can pump. This coin is very important coin for me, GHST. I have this coin quite some long time. Sandbox is going to pump. So these are the coins that can pump, these Metaverse coins, because of the Facebook. There is a trend that is going up, and if they can pump. So there are lots of news here though, but I think Metaverse coin has the potential. So if you want to put some money and looking for some big coins, so this is the opportunity. And then there is a coin like known as SHIB. I have shared Shiba. I have SHIB INU. I have bought it, and I have been holding SHIB for quite some time. It's been a long time, and it had pumped a lot, good pumped. That was the time when I bought SHIB here. Like I show you, I bought the SHIB in these ranges. This is the range I bought SHIB, and I have not sold it. I think SHIB can potentially one more wave to the upside left, so I'm holding this SHIB even though if dumped. So the price of SHIB, if price of the SHIB can come into this level, just as my rule of the game, what I do is that 4D is more reliable now. I put a alert here. Just put alert here. Yeah, and if anything comes here, just buy that dip. Like I don't think so the price will come here, in my personal opinion. Price SHIB has enough potential to come here. Yeah, if it comes here, you just buy that thing. So this has the potential to go to the upside. So this kind of a coin, if you want to look for the coin like SHIB, then you have to search for it. These coins are, there are a lot of coins like meme coins. If you put meme coins, if there is any meme coin, who's the meme coin? So there are a lot of these are the coins, like if you notice. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, always look for the coin on the Coinbase chart. Coinbase coins, ये जो coins होती हैं, Coinbase coins. So Coinbase में जो coins हैं, and if they are under उनकी market cap थोड़ी है, so these are the Coinbase coins. Search for Coinbase coins and search for those Coinbase coins जिनकी market cap below 1 million है या 1 million के करीब है. Look for those coins, and जैसे कि I'll show you the volume, market cap. Yeah, search by market cap. Those coins that are enlisted on Coinbase and their market cap is below 1 million, just put your money in it. They are going to pump wild. That's another thing I've learned, and I have found it very interesting. So just in case if you want to make money in this move, just put this money. So Baki, all the very best. Assalamu alaikum.